Welcome to the Industrialization and Localization Expert Channel. I'm your host, Mwakole Lope, and today we're bringing you a feature from the UAE. The UAE, we know, is the home to some of the most promising and globally acknowledged startups. And this is primarily fueled by strategic government programs and massive support from the private sector. They've created an ecosystem that allows steady growing of entrepreneurs across the region and beyond. And today, we're putting you to what we call the Dubai Internet City. This is where you find eligible workers, excellent service providers, and global expertise in one zone. This is what we call a free zone, which gives companies in the Dubai Internet City some significant benefits over their competitors who don't work from the free zone. And let us take you through some of these benefits. This includes a 50-year tax exemption, total foreign ownership, total repatriation of profits, metro Ethernet environment, availability of world-class human resources, and a world-class communication infrastructure, which includes business centers, fitness centers, medical securities, eateries, and five-star hotels. We all know that digital transformation initiatives will be responsible for driving much of this growth in the EMEA region, which is the Middle East and Africa, where government spending in this space is forecast to increase at about 17.6% of gross domestic product. That will be between 2019 and 2023 period. A key area such as this, works through the artificial intelligence system, whereby they have an injection of over 60% from national governments worldwide. And this system is made to do a data center management whereby services and information accuracy, can have this kind of interaction. So, ladies and gentlemen, this particular the Dubai Internet Center itself currently employs more than 25,000 professionals that work in over 1,600 tech companies. Wow. This number, what is interesting is it is expected to grow to about 40,000 in the next 5 to 7 years, and it will increase the ability to empower more entrepreneurs. They have what we call innovation incubator in 5. It's very big here in Dubai, and it has supported more than 200 new companies to date, helping them raise over 400 million dirhams. And since it was launched, that was in 2013. So by offering state-of-art facilities, creative spaces, training and mentorship progress, and world-class infrastructure. So through this, the Dubai Internet City and the Incubator 5, Innovation Incubator 5, in 5, they're enabling a wave of entrepreneurs and startups to seize opportunities through the 4th industrial revolution. In the UAE startup ecosystems, it is still the most robust and most innovative in the region, and it remains the most favorable destination for both startups and investors in the Middle East, which is evidenced by the fact that UAE still ranks 16th in the global ease of doing business report by the World Bank. And last year alone, the country attracted as much as $704 million in venture funding. The list of companies that you can find in the Dubai Internet City includes some Fortune 500 companies like Cisco, you have seen as we walk through the LinkedIn, Oracle, IBM, we also saw them. You have the likes of Canon, Siemens, Sony, and Logica, and you have a combination of others. You saw 3M, which are in the social media, multimedia, and marketing companies. Google is here, Facebook, and you have the likes of Twitter Arabia, and in the telecom space, you've got Amazon, you've got AT&T, you've got Cisco. We've seen Cisco as we pass through. You've got GE, the international operations company. Some of them, Nokia, Vodafone from the UK. In the IT space, you've got Hewlett-Packard, Hitachi Data Systems, Dell, Deloitte is one of our common names. You have Lenovo, IBM. You saw them, the Middle East one. So most of these companies are centrally based here, and you can imagine how much profits they are able to take. And like we said, 100% ownership. The likes of Sage are here, and a few other companies that are emerging in the project management space, as well as the banks that support the systems. You've Dubai Islamic Bank, you've got Emirates NDP Bank, and you've got some few legal consultants around. You can imagine how much deal making is involved. And you've got Emirates Advocates, Al Tamimi and Company, and so forth. So this particular tour that we took through brings this knowledge for you to understand when you tour Dubai and you are in the Dubai Internet City and you go across the Dubai Marina where most of these guys reside. And we say keep watching and enjoy more of our coming features as we bring you knowledge that you can be able to utilize for economic benefit, for understanding what incubation is, for understanding what localization and industrialization elements are. And we say, I will bring you the best.